Hi guys! Welcome back to our channel. Super happy to see everyone here. Happy Louis Vuitton Day guys! And you know what that means. I'm going to share to you up and coming Louis Vuitton bags. You know our practice here. I will be providing you all the information that you need to know, from photos, prices, product codes, launch dates, and features. All you need to do is just kindly ready your phones and laptop to take a screenshot. And for pre-orders and availabilities, kindly check the website and your CAs. So I'm inviting you all to stay tuned and watch until the end of our episode. And happy shopping! Hi guys, Ron here, Looking Budgetarian Fashionista. I publish vlog every Wednesdays and Saturdays about latest about fashion. I do luxury shopping vlogs, hauls, and unboxings. I also do bag reviews and provide styling tips. I'm inviting you all to please join our ever-growing fam. There's a cute little icon here. So please click on this one so you can easily subscribe and be a member of our growing luxury addicted family. Also, kindly like, share, comment on this video, and follow me on my new Instagram account. That's at Ramiro52 for daily updates and styling tips coming from me. Hi guys! Happy to share the new collection of LV. First, let us discuss the new monogram canvas pieces. So first, we have the Pochette Heels. So this will be launching January 2026. Unfortunately, we do not have the price and SKU, so kindly stand by and just take a screenshot. So as you can see, this is such a cute size monogram bag. Perfect maybe for your evening events, made of monogram canvas with vachetta leather trims. Next on the collection guys, this is such a perfect everyday / maybe a travel bag. So LV line-up bag. Price is $2,390 USD. So as you can see guys, the strap is fully adjustable, so you could wear it as a shoulder bag and you could wear it as a longer shoulder or crossbody bag made of monogram coated canvas with vachetta leather trims. So guys, next on the collection, so we have the tag along bag charm. So we have the SKU here, M27761. So the material is monogram canvas with cowhide leather trims. It comes of course with the vachetta strap. So guys, this one is a bag tag with card inserts and keyring, as we could see here. So this would also be launching this month, 2026. Next on the collection guys, could you believe it, the return of the famous toiletry pouch 26. Price is $740 USD. So I'm not just sure about the price because I think that is a little bit expensive compared to the original price when I purchased. But anyway, LV always do price hike every year. So if you are missing this one, the 26, then definitely run to your nearest LV store. Next guys, so this is a Nice Nano Bijou. So don't confuse this with the regular Nice Nano, because this one, if you're going to open, you are going to see the detachable jewelry cushion for bracelets, earrings, and rings. So the price of the Nice Nano Bijou is $1,740 USD. But hopefully you could just purchase, a third-party insert so you could use on your Nice Nano or Nice toiletry pouches. Next guys, we have the Neverfull Inside Out. Price of this one is 1,900 euro or 2,450 USD. So this is the interior. So it doesn't come with detachable pochette, but it does come with detachable strap, as we could see here. So you could wear this one perhaps as a crossbody bag. So next we have the cutie one, the Neverfull size BB Inside Out. So of course it's inside out, so you could wear it many ways. So one side is monogram canvas, the other side of course is the collar celadon cowhide leather trims. Price of this one is 2,200 euro or 2,620 USD. Hi guys, thank you for watching today's episode. Just a quick shout out for today's sponsors. Guys, you can now custom order your Zumoni bag organizers, bag accessories such as pouches, dust bags, and many more. And best part is you can now get 20% discount using my discount or coupon code Ramiro5. What I love having a Zumoni bag organizer is I customize to the way I like it. I chose a base material, collar, I added interior pocket, zipper, D-ring, and I added a base shaper to keep the structure of my luxury bags. Head on over now guys to Zumoni.com and order and customize your very own bag accessories. Thank you to Zumoni.com for sponsoring this part of this video, and now back to our vlog. Thank you guys! Alright, so another beautiful Neverfull Neverfull BB inside out. So price is 2,200 euro or 2,820 USD. So the colorway of this one is classic monogram canvas with sky blue cowhide leather trim. So this is one side, so it comes of course with the leather pochette. So the leather pochette, you could attach the detachable strap and wear it as a crossbody bag. So next on the collection, so let us discuss guys now the exclusive New York or NYC collection that will be launching January 2026 as well. So first we have the Neverfull inside out. Price is 3,200 USD. So if you're a fan of the metallic silver and classic monogram canvas combination, then definitely you need to check this out. I'm sure since this is an NYC exclusive, maybe you could just check with your CAs if you are within the US, and maybe they could just ship it to wherever you are. Next we have the all-in BB. Price is 2,890 USD. Love the red interior. It comes of course with the mini monogram pochette. Just look at the cute heart bag tag guys. It says I love you or I love you in heart shape, which I love. Next guys, so we have the Speedy 30 bandolier. So it's kind of like the Speedy 30 bandolier in soft, because as you can see it does do slouch. Then of course the price of this one is 4,050 USD. So as you could see, the interior guys is metallic silver, the same with the top handle, and it comes of course with detachable chain strap and detachable strap, so you could wear this one as a shoulder bag or even as a crossbody. Then if you would just like to have a feel of the collection, then check out the I Love New York Vivian charm. So this is how it looks like when you're going to wear it with your bag. So price of this one is 820 USD, still from the exclusive NYC collection. Material calfskin leather with cowhide leather trims as we could see here, and it comes with silver hardware. Next guys, let us discuss few SLGs. So first we have the very beautiful Romy card holder. Price is 655 USD. So this is one side, as we can see. The interior of course is made of calfskin leather and metallic silver finish. I love this print guys, how cute. So I'm seeing Vivian, then there's the famous New York donuts. Love the design of this one. Then of course I would definitely say yes to this one. 2,400 USD for the Nano Speedy. So what I love about this one, it comes with so many pieces. Of course the classic Nano Speedy bag, it comes with detachable Vivian bag charm, then of course it comes with detachable leather strap as well. So as you can see, it doesn't come with the untreated vachetta, so the leather is in metallic silver as well. Next guys, let us go back to some more of SLGs. So we have the very beautiful Victorine wallet, priced at 805 USD, still from the NYC exclusive collection. Just look at the design. So once you open, comes with the calfskin metallic silver finish. Then of course this is the backside, super cute. What is she holding? So I'm not really sure what Vivian is holding here, but definitely a very interesting piece. Next guys, so we have the passport cover. Price of this one is 520 USD, exclusive NYC collection. So as you can see, Vivian is like the Statue of Liberty, super cute. This is interior with metallic silver calfskin leather. Then I'm seeing of course Vivian with the snow. So this is another look of the passport cover. There, did you enjoy our episode for today? So if you have stayed until this part of this episode, kindly leave me a star emoji. I would really appreciate it. Thank you. Before we end our episode for today, I'm inviting you all to please join our ever-growing fam. There's a cute little icon over here. So please click on this one so you can easily subscribe and be a member of our growing luxury addicted family. Also, kindly like, share, comment on this video, and follow me on my new Instagram account, that's at Ramir52, for daily updates and styling tips coming from me. A million thank you for staying with me in today's episode. I'm going to leave a couple of videos here for you to check out. Please stay safe, and I'm going to see each and every one of you soon. Bye!